Okay, welcome to all of you, my dear students, in class 9 physics, and the chapter is motion. Okay, our next topic is position time graph or distance time graph. Okay, position time graph or distance time graph is drawn for the purpose of showing the position of any vehicle in the given time interval. Okay, whether the vehicle is stationary or is in motion or in moving condition. Okay, so when position or distance is along the y-axis, okay, and time along the x-axis, the graph is known as position time or distance time graph. Okay, all of you know about how to plot the graph. Okay, so graph is plotted like this. There are two axes. This is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. Okay, and this point is, if x-axis and y-axis both are perpendicular to each other, and this axis is, this point is origin or reference point. Okay, so when the position or distance is along the y-axis and the position along the y-axis and time along the x-axis. Okay, so this graph is known as position time graph. Okay, for example, suppose I write this. Suppose observer is standing here. Okay, observer is standing here and the car is standing or kept at 3-meter distances. Okay, this is the distance. So the car is on 3-meter distance from the observer. Okay, this is the 1 meter, 2 meter and 3 meter. Okay, so how to plot the graph? So I take some numerical value such as position and time. Okay, because there are two quantities, position along the y-axis and time along the x-axis. So I take two quantities, position in meter and time in second. So position 3 meter, what is time? 0. If time is increased, then the position of car is also 3 meter. If time is also increased but position of car is same, time is now further increased but position of car is same. Now time is also again changed but the position of the car is same, means this position or this distance is same but time is increased. Okay, so how to plot the graph? Please see here. I take, this is the time interval along x-axis and this is the time interval along y-axis. Okay, so on x-axis, time in 1 second, 2 second, 3 second, 4 second. Okay, and along y-axis, the position or distance in 1 meter, 2 meter, 3 meter and 4 meter and so on. Okay, so let's see here. At time t equal to 0, what is the distance or what is the position? This is the at time t equal to 0 the position is 3 meter. So at time t equal to 0 the position is 3 meter. If time is increased at t equal to 1 second the position is also 3. So at time t equal to 1 second the position is also 3 meter. Now further time increase but the position is also 3 meter. Now if time is also increased 3 second then position is also same, and 4.4 second the position is also same. Let's see from the table 0 to 3. If time is 1 second then position is same. If time is increased 2 second then position is also same. So whatever the time the position of the car is same. It means what is the important conclusion? Important conclusion is that if the time is increased but the position of the car is same, then we can say that the car is in rest or stationary condition. Okay, so please draw this. Okay. Okay, please write the important conclusion in position time graph. Okay, if we get a straight line parallel to x-axis, for example, this is the graph, and time in second and position in meter. Okay, this is the position. Okay, in meter along y-axis, and this is the x-axis. Okay, axis. So if we get a straight line parallel to x-axis like this is a straight line parallel to x-axis in a position time graph, then the body is at rest or stationary. ओके, इस तरीके का ग्राफ अगर आपको मिलता है इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि जो कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट है वो या तो रेस्ट में है या स्टेशनरी है, अपनी जगह पे रुका हुआ है. ठीक है, आपने यहाँ पर देखा डायग्राम में ऑब्जर्वर अपनी जगह पर था और कार अपनी पोजीशन पे रुकी हुई 3 मीटर. ठीक है, so this is the important conclusion for this graph. Okay, please write this.